Lesson: Business Continuity and Recovery Planning. Business continuity and recovery planning is an essential component of incident management and breach response within the field of information privacy management. It ensures that organizations can sustain operations and recover from disruptions effectively, safeguarding data privacy and integrity amidst unforeseen events. The essence of business continuity planning is to prepare organizations to maintain critical functions during a crisis, while recovery planning focuses on restoring normal operations post-incident. These plans are indispensable in safeguarding the privacy and security of sensitive information and minimizing the impact of breaches or other disruptions. One of the most robust frameworks for business continuity and recovery planning is the Business Continuity Management System, outlined in the ISO 22301 standard. This international standard offers a systematic approach to establishing, implementing, operating, monitoring, reviewing, maintaining, and improving business continuity within an organization. ISO 22301 emphasizes understanding organizational needs, defining continuity objectives, and establishing procedures to meet these objectives. This framework enables organizations to reduce disruption risks, ensuring that critical functions are prioritized and maintained during a crisis. A practical tool that aligns with BCMS and enhances its implementation is the Business Impact Analysis. The BIA is a systematic process used to identify and evaluate the potential effects of an interruption to critical business operations as a result of a disaster, accident, or emergency. By conducting a BIA, organizations can identify time-sensitive processes and the resources that support them, allowing them to prioritize recovery efforts strategically. This analysis helps organizations to allocate resources efficiently, ensuring that the most critical privacy-related functions receive immediate attention during a disruption. In practice, implementing a BCMS and conducting a BIA involves several steps. First, organizations must identify critical processes and the resources supporting them, such as personnel, technology, and information. This requires collaboration across departments to ensure comprehensive coverage of all business functions. Next, organizations should assess the impact of potential disruptions on these processes, considering factors like financial losses, reputational damage, and legal implications. A thorough risk assessment follows, identifying threats and vulnerabilities that could affect business continuity, including data breaches, natural disasters, and cyber attacks. By understanding these risks, organizations can develop strategies to mitigate them, such as implementing backup systems, enhancing cybersecurity measures, or establishing alternate work sites. Once the BIA and risk assessment are complete, organizations can develop and implement business continuity and recovery plans. These plans should outline procedures for maintaining critical operations during a disruption, including communication protocols, resource allocation, and roles and responsibilities. Importantly, plans should be regularly tested through exercises and simulations to ensure their effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. For instance, a simulated data breach exercise can help an organization evaluate its incident response capabilities, ensuring that privacy concerns are addressed swiftly and efficiently. An example of effective business continuity and recovery planning can be observed in the financial sector, where organizations are highly regulated and must adhere to strict data privacy standards. One notable case is the response of a major bank during a cyber attack that threatened to compromise sensitive customer data. The bank had conducted a comprehensive BIA and established a robust BCMS, allowing it to quickly identify critical processes and allocate resources to maintain operations. By following its recovery plan, the bank was able to secure affected systems, communicate transparently with stakeholders, and restore normal operations without significant data loss or reputational damage. Statistics further underscore the importance of effective business continuity and recovery planning. According to a study by the Ponemon Institute, organizations with a well-established BCMS experience significantly lower costs associated with data breaches. The study found that organizations with incident response teams and tested business continuity plans saved an average of $2.66 million in breach costs compared to those without such measures. These findings highlight the financial benefits of implementing a BCMS and the critical role it plays in safeguarding data privacy. Beyond financial considerations, business continuity and recovery planning is a vital aspect of regulatory compliance. Many data privacy regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation and the California Consumer Privacy Act, require organizations to implement measures to protect personal data and ensure its availability and integrity. By establishing a BCMS and conducting regular BIAs, organizations can demonstrate their commitment to data privacy and compliance, avoiding potential penalties and legal challenges. To enhance the effectiveness of business continuity and recovery planning, organizations can also leverage technology. Business continuity software solutions offer tools for developing, testing, and maintaining continuity plans, streamlining processes, and ensuring that plans remain up-to-date and accessible. These solutions often include features like automated notifications, incident tracking, and reporting, enabling organizations to respond to disruptions more efficiently and maintain compliance with data privacy regulations. By integrating technology into their continuity planning efforts, organizations can improve their resilience and protect sensitive information more effectively. In conclusion, business continuity and recovery planning is a critical component of incident management and breach response, especially within the domain of information privacy management. By implementing a BCMS, conducting comprehensive BIAs, and leveraging technology, organizations can enhance their resilience to disruptions and safeguard sensitive data. The ISO 22301 framework provides a robust foundation for establishing business continuity plans, while tools like the BIA enable organizations to prioritize recovery efforts strategically. Real-world examples and statistics demonstrate the effectiveness of these strategies, highlighting their importance in minimizing disruption costs and ensuring regulatory compliance. As data privacy concerns continue to evolve, organizations must remain vigilant in their continuity planning efforts, regularly testing and updating their plans to address emerging threats and vulnerabilities.